Welcome back. If you're new here, this is Dream Heels, and this channel is all about fashion, style, and confidence. Today's topic is one of my favorites: walking in high heels like a pro. Whether you're getting ready for a night out, a big presentation, or just want to level up your everyday look, high heels can completely transform your outfit and boost your confidence. But let's be real, they can also be intimidating and uncomfortable if you don't know the right techniques. High heels are more than just shoes. They're a statement. They elongate your legs, improve your posture, and add instant sophistication to any outfit. Whether it's a pair of classic stilettos, platform heels, wedges, or strappy sandals, heels are a staple in the fashion world. But here's the thing: the power of high heels is fully unlocked when you know how to walk in them properly. The right walk can make you look polished and elegant, while the wrong walk can make you look awkward and even cause pain. To look confident in heels, your posture needs to be on point. Imagine there's a string gently pulling you upward from the top of your head. Keep your shoulders back, chest slightly out, and stomach tucked in. This upright posture not only makes you look elegant but also helps you balance better. Like anything in life, walking in heels takes practice. Start at home. Walk on different surfaces: hardwood floors, carpets, tiles, so you know how to adjust your balance. Practice turning gracefully and standing still without fidgeting. Don't wait for your big night out to try your new heels. Practice in your house, yes, even in your pajamas. Walk on carpet, tiles, wood floors, get used to the feel, practice turning, stopping, posing. Basic walking in heels isn't the same as walking in sneakers. Place your heel down first, then roll through to your toe. This creates a natural, graceful stride. Take slightly smaller steps than usual. This gives you more control and keeps you from overstepping. Imagine walking on an invisible straight line. This adds a beautiful sway to your hips, effortlessly stylish. Don't rush. A slow, confident walk always looks more stylish than a quick, wobbly one. Walking in heels is as much about attitude as it is about technique. Own your look. Walk like you're meant to be there. When you feel confident, it shows in your stride. High heels are not just fashion accessories, they're little confidence boosters. Keep your knees soft and let your arms swing naturally at your sides. Stiff movements make the walk look forced. Posture check: shoulders back, chin up, and core tight. Imagine you're a queen with an invisible crown on your head. No slouching, no hunching. The right posture instantly makes you look taller, leaner, and way more confident.